What's up, YouTube? This is Lady Wrenchhand. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and comment in the section below. Aircraft structures. 1. Are the rotors of a helicopter considered part of the airframe or the power plant? They are part of the airframe because they are defined as rotating wings. 2. On an airplane, are the propellers and rotating airfoils considered part of the power plant or part of the airframe? They are part of the power plant. 3. Do wings of fixed-wing aircraft move, and what are they attached to? No, the wings do not move, and they are attached to the fuselage. 4. What are the 5 major structures of fixed-wing aircraft? The fuselage, wings, stabilizers, flight control surfaces, and landing gear. 5. What are the major structures of a helicopter? The fuselage, main rotor and related gearbox, tail rotor for helicopters with a single main rotor, and landing gear. 6. What do structural members of the fuselage include? Stringers, longerons, ribs, bulkheads, frames, etc. What is the main structural member in a wing? The wing spar. Number 8. What are the 5 major stresses? Tension, compression, torsion, shear, and bending. Number 9. What is tension? A force that tends to pull something apart. 10. What is compression? A force that squeezes or shortens a material. 11. What is torsion? Torsion is a force that produces twisting. 12. What is torsion strength? Resistance of a material to twisting or torque. 13. What is shear stress? Shear stress is when an adjacent material tends to slide over another material. 14. What is the general shear strength of a material? Either equal to or less than its tensile or compressive strength. 15. What is bending stress? Bending stress is a combination of tension and compression, whereas one side of a material is subject to compression and the other side is subject to tension. 16. What is the main structure of a fixed-wing aircraft? The fuselage. 17. What are the two general types of fuselage construction? Truss and monocoque. 18. What is the most common airframe construction? Semi-monocoque. 19. Where is the primary stress located on a monocoque constructed fuselage? The primary stress is in the skin. 20. With a semi-monocoque fuselage, what structural member of the fuselage helps to support skin primary bending loads? Longerons. Alright y'all, thanks for watching. Be sure and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.